Hello, everyone. In this session today, we are going to explore the alternate interior angles when two parallel lines they are intersected by a transversal. Let us start the exploration. So, first thing is we are going to draw a line AB, and then we draw a line CD which is parallel to the line AB. And now we are going to draw a transversal. So you see that EF is the transversal. Now, this transversal EF intersects the lines AB and CD at point H and G respectively. So, now we are going to see what is the relationship between alternate interior angles. So, at present, you can see two pairs of alternate interior angles are there. First pair is angle CGH and angle BHG. And another pair is angle DGH and angle AHG. Let us see what is the measurement of this pair. First pair is representing angle CGH. At present, it is 64.36 degrees, and angle GHB is also 64.36 degrees. Let us use this move tool and try to change the positions so that we observe the relationship between them. Yes, every time you see that alternate interior angles, their measurement is coming out to be equal. Let us see what happens to the second pair. So the second pair, that is angle DGH and angle AHG. Observe the measurement. At present, it is 122.33 degrees. So both these angles are having the same measurement. So we see that when two parallel lines they are cut by the transversal, then alternate interior angles are always equal. You can move the transversal also, and every time you will see that measurement of the alternate interior angles is coming out to be same. We can move this line as well and check the observation. So both pairs of alternate interior angles they are equal.